Hi, I'm Pamela, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can slow down your lip sync inside Instagram Reels. I'm from Content Clarity, and this channel is all about tips, tricks and advice on how to run a successful business. Now, we all know how annoying it is with these lip sync character videos where you're trying your hardest to do the lip sync and there's just no way that you can either A, remember the words, or B, actually get it on point so that when you play it back, it actually looks like you're saying the right thing. But there is a way that you can do this and make it so much easier on yourself and slow down all the repeat records that you are doing. So let me flip my screen now and I will show you how you can do this. So once you're in Reels, make sure that you select a lip sync track that you are happy to do and that you're comfortable with. So have a scroll through, there's loads in there. I selected this one.
Remember the time.
So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go into the speed setting and you're going to want to select 2 or indeed 3 if you think you need it slower.
And hey,
and if you go
remember
into the
the
timer,
time.
you can hear how that is going to sound.
And hey, remember the time.
It completely slows it down for you so that if it's really fast paced, you'll be able to do it. And this is how it looks.
And hey, remember the time. You don't remember?
So there you have it, how you can slow down your lip sync inside Instagram Reels so that you can do those lip sync videos with ease. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like and make sure you subscribe because I will be back again soon with another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.